Jamun or Java plum, this underrated native summer fruit, in spite of its unbalanced seed-to-pulp ratio and messy-to-eat nature, everyone loves to stain their hands purple and have a mouthful of this sweet and tangy fruit. Hi friends, today let's mess up our hands purple with these two recipes loaded with health benefits. I have taken ripe and juicy jamun from my garden for this. Let's cut off the tip from both the sides like this. Let's remove the pulp from seed carefully. It will be a time-consuming process to even fill a quarter of this bowl with pulp, but trust me, it is fulfilling and worth a try. I have taken 200 grams of fruit pulp for 4 small-sized jamun shots. I will be adding 2 teaspoons powdered sugar, half teaspoon black salt, juice of 1 medium-sized lemon, and 5-6 mint leaves to it. Let's add a little water, say 1/3 cup, but not more than that, or else we will get a runny consistency, which is followed by 4 ice cubes. It will help in grinding the pulp into smooth texture. At the same time, add chill factor to our shots. Jamun juice is ready now. I am going to dip the shot glasses in lemon juice like this, just to coat the rim. Then in black salt. This is to enhance the flavor of jamun juice. Plus, the final presentation will look good. Finally, this is our jamun sauce. I'm sure you will love it. For our second recipe, that is jamun popsicle, I'm taking half kg ripe jamun. Now I'm going to heat up 2 cup water in a saucepan. After the water has boiled, let me put all the jamuns in the boiling water. Keep stirring from time to time. After few minutes, you will see all the jamun becoming soft and started to peel off. Look at this. Its color is also changing to dark magenta or bright purple. Let's mash the pulp with the help of a potato masher. Now I will be adding 1 cup of shredded gur. This is totally optional. You can use sugar also. Then adding half teaspoon black salt and half teaspoon ginger juice, which I had extracted from a 1.5 inch fresh ginger piece. After boiling for another few more minutes, time to turn off the induction stove and let it cool down. Let's strain the jamun puree now. I will be adding juice of 1 lemon to it to give a sweet and tangy taste, kind of kala khatta syrup taste. Let's transfer it to popsicle molds and keep it in the freezer for 5 to 8 hours depending on your freezer's mode of cooling. This is our jamun popsicle. I hope you will like my video. For any query, feel free to write in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and bye bye.